Welcome back to another episode of the WP Week, your go-to source for the latest updates in the world of WordPress and web security. We have a lineup of exciting news and insights to keep you informed. Let's dive right into the updates you need to stay ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of WordPress and web technologies. Today's episode is sponsored by OmniSend, a top-rated email and SMS marketing tool for e-commerce, helps you boost sales effortlessly. InMotion Hosting, a scalable web hosting and server solutions provider, and Kinsta, the top-rated managed WordPress host on G2 with a 4.85 rating. Welcome to another episode of the WP Week podcast, where we bring you the latest and most significant updates from the WordPress ecosystem and beyond. Let's dive right into the news. First up, we have some news from Festinger Vault. The company has settled its trademark dispute with Automattic, which has led to significant updates to their platform. They have removed all WooCommerce and WordPress-related trademarks, as well as any themes and plugins originating from Automattic. As part of this resolution, Festinger Vault will begin reopening its services step by step this week. One of the most exciting changes is the introduction of a brand new Festinger Vault plugin with white label functionality, which promises to enhance the user experience with more flexibility. In other big news, Juice de Valk and Marika van der Racht of Emilia Capital have acquired Post Status from Corey and Lindsay Miller. This acquisition includes the Post Status brand, the Slack community, the website, and all related assets, which have now been transferred to a foundation in the Netherlands, aptly named the Post Status Foundation. This move transforms the platform into a non-profit, marking an exciting new chapter for the WordPress community. Looking ahead to upcoming releases, WordPress 6.7.2 is scheduled to be released on February 11th, 2025. This maintenance update is expected to fix bugs and improve the performance of the platform, so keep an eye out for that. Meanwhile, the WordPress photo directory has hit a major milestone, surpassing 20,000 photos. Thanks to the tireless efforts of contributors worldwide, this collection continues to grow, and all photos are CC0 licensed, making them free to use for anyone. In other platform news, WordPress.com has rolled out a new interface, transitioning from the Calypso interface to the familiar WP admin WordPress interface. This change is aimed at improving the user experience, making it easier for users to navigate the platform. Speaking of WooCommerce, WooCommerce 9.7 is on the horizon, with a release scheduled for February 24th, 2025. This update will bring several new features, including a React-based payment settings interface, improved shipping method displays, and enhanced block editor performance, just to name a few. On the team front, Bo Labens will be stepping into the permanent role of artistic director at Woo after a successful interim period. Bo will be leading the Woo team moving forward, overseeing creative direction and product development. In legal news, Matt Mullenweg and Automattic have enlisted new representation in their ongoing fight against WP Engine. Rosemary T. Ring, a lawyer who has previously represented Meta and Facebook, has been brought on to handle the case, particularly in response to a motion to intervene filed by Michael Willman. For those managing WordPress sites, security updates are crucial this week. An unauthenticated privilege escalation vulnerability in the RH real estate theme has been patched, so it's important for all users to update to the latest version immediately. Similarly, a severe flaw in the W3 Total Cache plugin, installed on over 1 million WordPress sites, has exposed sites to attacks. So updating this plugin is essential for keeping your sites secure. In the world of AI, OpenAI has introduced a new feature called Operator. Currently in a research preview, this AI agent can perform tasks on the web, interacting with web pages by scrolling, typing, and clicking. The tech world is abuzz with this development, as it has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with the internet. Speaking of AI, a new company called the Stargate Project is set to invest $500 billion over the next 4 years in building AI infrastructure for OpenAI in the United States, signaling an exciting future for AI development. In security news, both the Curl Project and Go security teams have publicly rejected CVSS as flawed for assessing vulnerabilities. They are calling for more context-aware approaches to vulnerability assessments. Meanwhile, Google has made some changes to its mobile search results by removing breadcrumbs and simplifying URLs to show only domains, although breadcrumbs remain visible on desktop. Google Ads has also introduced advanced targeting features for Performance Max, providing better controls and reporting to optimize campaign performance. Moving into analytics, Google Analytics 4 now allows for easier cross-property report copying, streamlining configuration management for users. On the cutting edge, a Chinese startup called DeepSeek has released R1, an AI model that is reportedly capable of matching OpenAI's models in math, coding, and reasoning, but at a fraction of the cost. This is creating a lot of buzz in Silicon Valley and beyond. Switching gears to community news, GoDaddy has made a significant donation to the WordPress community. They've contributed $520,000 to the recently incorporated WordPress community nonprofit in California, along with additional donations to various other WordPress-related initiatives. GoDaddy's support for the ecosystem continues to grow. Speaking of WordPress Enterprise, the 2024 State of Enterprise WordPress Survey has revealed that enterprises consistently choose WordPress for its extensibility and functionality. Over 90% of respondents highlighted functionality as a key factor, and nearly all respondents cited extensibility as a top priority when selecting a platform. In events, Mary Hubbard, Executive Director of WordPress, and Matthias Ventura, Lead Architect for the Gutenberg Project, will be speaking at the upcoming PressConf event, offering valuable insights into the future of WordPress. There are also some exciting new plugin releases to talk about. The latest release of ACF and ACF Pro, version 6.3.12, brings bug fixes and improved error messages related to security nonce validation. WS Forms 1.10 introduces a new form styler that allows users to adjust over 400 design elements with a no-code interface. Plus, WPML has rolled out a release candidate for version 4.7, which introduces a new translation dashboard and updates to the advanced translation editor. On the innovation front, James LePage demonstrated building an e-commerce site using only his voice and AI, and Rich Tabor is seeking ideas to improve the block editor's welcome guide. In terms of new tools, Cloudways has launched Cloudways Copilot in public preview. This AI-powered tool provides 24/7 website monitoring, automatically diagnosing issues, and offering recommendations. WordFence has also expanded its bug bounty program with a new Refer a Researcher initiative to reward top security researchers. Meanwhile, Robert DeVore has released 2 new AI-powered plugins, Plugin Pal, which generates WordPress plugins, and Deep Blue, which automates Blue Sky posting with AI. Wrapping up the list of new projects, Jonathan Bossinger has developed a desktop app for reading your WordPress debug logs in real time, built with Electron and React. Additionally, Don Vandenberg has released WPCLI Strip Database Dump, a plugin that makes it easier to create database dumps while excluding sensitive data. There's also a new WordPress fork called Retraceur, created by Mathieu Viette, the former lead at BuddyBoss. This new fork replaces WordPress-specific elements with alternatives like LibreVitar and OpenMojis, and removes references to the WordPress trademark, making it a truly unique project. Finally, we're excited to see the launch of Minnow Transmuter, a new project from Austin Jinder that allows developers to transmute WordPress code into something new, offering a fresh approach to development. And Stellar WP has announced the Stellar Pay plugin, which allows users to easily integrate WooCommerce with Stripe, making payments smoother for online stores. That wraps up the major updates for this week. It's been a busy one, and there's more exciting news on the horizon. Stay tuned for next week's episode, and as always, keep building and creating in the WordPress world. That's all the big news for this week. Thanks for listening to the WP Week podcast, sponsored by InMotion Hosting, Kinsta, and Omnisend. We'll be back next week with more news and updates. Till then, stay safe and keep your WordPress sites secure and up to date.